I, Dr. A V Turkmani, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Sharjah Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. Today we are going to see new database, that is SQLite. As per seen in last lecture, we are seen that is some database, some basic database with MySQL, how to database create with Python, how to retrieve data from Python. Here we also introduce new database created for open source, that is a SQLite. We will see the theoretically that is a SQLite, what actually SQLite, what are the features available that SQLite. See first history of SQLite. SQLite is an open source embedded database. This originally implemented was designed by the D. Richard Heap scientist. Scientist of Heap was designing software used on board guided missile system and thus had limited resources to work with. The resulting designing goals of SQLite were to allow the program to be operated without a database installation or administration. See, SQLite way to allow program to be operated without a database installation and administration. That means no need to install database on your system. You can online access that SQLite. Continue. In 2000 version 1.0 of SQLite was released. This initial release was based of GDBM, that is GNU Database Manager. Version 2.0 replaced GBDM with a custom implementation of B-tree data structure. Version 3.0 added many useful improvements such as internalization and manifest typing. This version was also partially funded by America Online and shows how SQLite has quickly grown from the unheard of paid project to the widely used open source system it is today. Business and users. The SQLite Consortium is a membership association dedicated to development of SQLite. Their goal are to keep SQLite both high quality and public domain. Key members included Adobe, Bloomberg, Mozilla and Symbio. These are the members included, that business user included in SQLite. Major users, that is Adobe, user Adobe Reader, uses SQLite is a Photoshop and Acrobat Adobe Reader. The application file format of SQLite is used in this product. Second user, that is Apple. Several functions in a Mac operating system X uses SQLite. In Apple use for Apple Mail, Safari web browser and Aperture. The iPhone and iPod Touch platform may also contain SQLite implementation, unknown due to the closed source nature of those systems. Then next, that is a Mozilla uses SQLite in a Mozilla Firefox web browser. SQLite is used in Firefox to store metadata. Everyone know that is everyone use for the open source operating system, that is a Mozilla browser. Uses that Mozilla browser, that is a SQLite used in Firefox to store metadata. What is metadata? Data about a data. Storing of that metadata using a Mozilla. Then Google also used for that particular SQLite. Google uses SQLite in a Google Desktop and Google Gears. SQLite is also used in mobile OS platform and Android. McAfee. McAfee uses SQLite in its various antivirus programs. That is, antivirus is McAfee. Use SQLite various antivirus programs. Philips MP3 players use SQLite to store and track metadata. You can even access the database on USB based MP3 players that Philips produce. PHP comes with SQLite 2 and 3 built in. That means PHP language by default available SQLite. Python. SQLite bundled with the Python programming language. That is, Python also available with the SQLite. Specification for SQLite. What are the specification of SQLite? SQLite is a different from most other SQL database engines in that its primary design goal is to be simple. What is the goal? Is simple. That means SQLite works well with. What are the words with following? Application file format. First, that is a work with SQLite well. That is a application file format. In application file format, transaction guarantees, ACID triggers, provides undo redo features. That means your transaction guarantee take for that SQLite. Also ACID property, that is atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability, provides the undo and redo features. Temporary data analysis. What is temporary data analysis? Command line client import CSV files and use SQL to analyze and generate reports. Then testing. Also testing important database, that means stand in for enterprise database during application testing, that is a limits potential damage. Embedded device. Those are the embedded device available, small, reliable and portable. Also used for your SQLite database. Then portable. What is the portable available? Portable system uses only ANSI standard C and VFS, that is a virtual file system file format. Is cross-platform, little a versus big Enedian 32 versus 64 bit. That may different types of bits available, portability 32 to 64. SQLite easily support that particular bit format. Reliable, has 100% test coverage, open source code and bug database. Transaction are ACID1 if power fails. Small, 30 KB library runs in 16 KB stack and 100 KB heap. Disadvantage of that, high concurrency. That means reader writer locks on entire file. That is a disadvantage of SQLite. High concurrency. Reader writer locks on entire file. Urge data set. Database file cannot exceed system limit up to limit or 2 terabyte. And access control there isn't any. Unique feature of that SQLite. See, also write down one by one. First, no configurations, just drop in the C library and go. There is a no configuration setup available of SQLite. You can just drop and C library and go. No server process to administrator or user account to manage. There is no any administrator available for SQLite to manage or processes. Third, easy to backup and transmit database. Just copy the file. Just like you copy from one place to another any file, just like copy from your SQLite from one place to another. That means easy to backup and transmit database. Fourth, dynamic typing for column values. Variable length for column record. That means there is a dynamic typing of column values. If you define suppose column value up to 5, if your record is inserted more than 5, automatically there is a dynamic variable. That may automatically to increase their column value also and row values also. Query can reference multiple database files. One query you can reference is multiple database files. Suppose you one query is write down, you want to that query write down in every time. That time you also refer that particular queries for particular times. Then a few non-standard SQL extensions. Mostly conflict the resolutions. Then these are the features related for your SQLite. You can also simply go to online, download SQLite from that particular site, that is www.sqlite.org. You can download, no need to install, simply access directly for your database and also use in a Python. Python inbuilt available your SQLite. Only import that SQLite and you can use that SQLite and take the advantage of SQLite. Thank you for the listening.